Hey guys, this is Greg here, Underground Graphics. It's good to be back here on the camera again. I've been out for a little while from shoulder surgery. Anyway, as we are back and going, we wanted to introduce some new product for you guys. If you ordered through with us over the Black Friday, you probably got a sample of our wrap sealant. This is a product we've been using here in-house for some time now, about a year and a half, and I just wanted to test it, make sure it was something that we were going to offer to you. But basically, we've been working with Croftgate USA. They've been doing vinyl wrap care for over a decade now. And what we've done in the past is, again, working with them, but usually we can either ceramic coat our own product with the vinyl, or we can just use a quick detail, which is what we've been doing in most cases. Typically, maintenance on that works pretty well, but again, we were thinking long term. We wanted to make sure that you, the customer, had the best product, and we're gonna get the longest use out of our product. That came with Croftgate. So we thank them for working with us on this. We're going to be offering two of their products, which we have collabed with. One is going to be a matte and gloss sealant. This is the one that's most important. This is that one that we want you to install after you've installed your graphic. Specifically on matte finished graphics, the satin and the gloss, it's great. It's going to help all of it. But again, that matte is matte because it has no laminate. There's really no protection on that from the elements. That's what gives it that matte look. So while a ceramic coating is a great option as well, that will tone the color of that down just a little bit. This sealant does not. So while it's not a ceramic coating, it is going to give you a barrier between the elements and that vinyl. Something that we would recommend to install probably every 6 to 8 weeks, really as needed. And again, that's going to be that important. That's that first one that's most important. The second one is going to be basically a cleaner. So think of that one as a quick detailer or as a maintenance spray. We like to use this on our vehicles. We keep a microfiber towel with us in all of our vehicles. Again, those elements we think of, sap, bird poop, even fingerprints, anything that just gets on there, we want to get that off. Anything sits on that thing, it can embed itself in there. Hard water spots, stuff like that. That's what you want that sealant for. But that maintenance, that maintainer is going to come in the form of that cleaner. Both of these are safe for paint. That sealant, again, really should just be used for the vinyl. You don't have to tape it off. We can just go right over on that, but again, I wouldn't put it all over your paint. That's a whole nother process, which again, we would recommend a ceramic coating for that. Now that cleaner, again, it's just like a quick detailer. It is formulated for vinyl, so that can be used for satin, matte, gloss, and that can go over your paint. Like I said, that's what we're going to be keeping with our vehicles as that quick detail, that maintenance spray wash. On the installation side of things, again, we've always done these for the last couple years of doing these installation videos. We talk about it, what we use. Well, now we're going to offer that to you. Obviously, you don't have to purchase it, but if you don't have that stuff ready made and you'd like to just go ahead and get that through our site, we are going to have these available to you. One is going to be that slip solution, which is basically what we're calling a PPF wet slide. That's going to be that pre-mixed mixture of soap and water. And that's what you'll see here. And I believe that was 2 drops of dish soap. We're using Dawn with 4 ounces of water mix. So nothing special here. Again, this is just a convenience for you. We have had some customers call and say, how come you don't provide this stuff with it? How do you provide stuff with it? Well, most people already have it, so again, it wasn't something that we had to have on there. Same thing with the alcohol water prep. If you've seen us prep these vehicles for our installations, it's always that 10% alcohol, 90% water mix. And again, it's very, very light. We spray that over there, over all of our surfaces, make sure that's ready to go. So again, these are just pre-mixed options. We're going to have these available in our tools section. If you've been to the site recently, you'll see that we are now offering microfiber towels, X-Acto blades, better squeegees, and if you're into the PPF, we do offer the rubber squeegees for PPF. Again, if it's a one-time application, we do provide that hard plastic squeegee, but if you're going to be doing more stuff with it, we do recommend that you get better tools. Again, some of you already have it, and if you don't, we are going to be able to offer that for you. And again, going back to that wrap care, the sealant, and the cleaner, these will be available as well, and we do recommend, of course, those to be used with all your vinyl graphic needs. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Be happy to talk about it, application and so forth. We're going to be doing a video on that as well, so start looking for that in all of our installation videos. Thanks again, and talk soon.